Now, here we have a piece of the email that my lawyer at the time sent. Now, you look at the date on it, Wednesday, April 13th at 12:42 p.m. It says, "This will confirm our attendance at the trial readiness conference that took place April 13th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Everyone but you personally attended the courts at the case conference. I understand you were ill and unable to attend except by telephone. Justice Peterson seemed to accept your reason for not attending in person." So right away, it does register the fact that yes, I was ill. Yes, there was a trial readiness case conference. I am telling you guys that those two orders that were heard in January, did, they were pronounced on April 13th. Um, After which time I hung up the phone because, well, I was already ill, and Justice Peterson knew that. Yet she had chosen to continue on with the case conference, and she had continued to um, um, pronounce the two orders that indicated that the kids were supposed to go to, like, be picked up and dropped off at Owen Johnson's residence, and also the property order that we'll be discussing later on that literally robs me of my inheritance. Anyways, um, that is it for this section for right now. Oh, I'll also upload my bank statement later on showing the balance zero because maintenance enforcement took everything. So um yeah, I can't even afford a coffee right now. So there's no way I can afford $30 for a visit with the kids, even though I miss them like crazy. It's been over 130 days now since I've last seen them. And um, I I don't know what else to do here. So I'm telling my story, and um, also in this particular email, it also identifies that Justice Peterson did know the level I was at when she pronounced those orders. Um, she knew that I was near a breaking point because my lawyer indicates in this email that if I deny it, that I could be um, creating perjury, which I don't want to do. I was at a breaking point. When I hung the phone, I didn't intend to kill myself, but I did intend to take pills and not wake up for a while. I mean, I had been up for over 48 hours. And although that might not seem like a lot to some people, when you're dealing with this kind of stress, it is a lot. And the reason I had been up for 48 hours prior was because I couldn't sleep because I was stressed out about this case conference. And I mean, every single week, every other week, we were having one. You could see that by um, the court registry. At least I think you can see it on this version. But actually, I've actually saved copies of the previous court registries too, so we can see the original version later on. I don't know why certain things have been deleted off the court registry. That alone is really concerning. But you can see by this email that there was a case conference that actually happened on that date that there is no indication of on the on the court registry.